Comrades from Chaparral Motorsports here with Talon in the Acerbis booth, and today we're going to be talking about the Uniko Handguards.
So this is one of our original handguards, the Unikos. A little bit smaller. To me, I pitch it more for the kids on the mini bikes. Then we have our next step that came a few years later, the vintage Uniko. Caleb Russell, some of our top off-road guys still continue to use this handguard.
Nice.
It's very cool because it is dual mold injected, so you have bi-colorways. Very aesthetically nice, so you can pick out what looks great for your bike. This handguard is the X Ultimate, so this just came out this year, and it's designed particularly for the newer bikes that all have the hot starts now, the automatic starts. So now you have the Kawasaki, the Yamaha, the KTM Husky. At this point, this actually goes around your brake pump and your clutch pump and not underneath, so that way right next to your thumb you can just keep your hot start there. So that's the evolution of our next handguard. You can move it right and left. Check out the whole line. We have 6 off-road models, MX style models, and check them out, see what looks best for you guys and works best for you guys.
Now this particular handguard looks like it has a cover on the back, so you can block those to get wind protection, and then you take that cover off and you have vented?
It does. So we noticed that people really like the dual mold injected look. So we kind of took the next step where this one you can't change it, it is a color. And this one you buy, it comes with a set that you can make it vented or non-vented, and then you can also buy the accessories to change the color. So it's very interchangeable.
There you go, the Uniko handguards from Acerbis, good for roost protection and cold weather protection. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Comrades from Chaparral Motorsports, Talon from Acerbis. Until next time, take care and ride safe.